Ini yang tu kan? Mana yang tu? Yang ada makannya. Yang tu. Keluar timbik pak. Pak mesti. आपको सबसे पहले हम लोग धन्यवाद देते हैं। तो आपको ये जो इंस्पिरेशन है ये कैसे मिला एवरेस्ट पे क्लाइंब करने के लिए?
Hello everyone, my name is Rifinus Wajri and I was born and brought up in Shillong, Meghalaya, and my journey was really challenges. Climbing Mount Everest, as we all know, is the highest peak in the world. So yes, it's difficult, but I didn't give up. Instead, my team was really motivating me, and so I could finish, like we all as a team, we could finish and summit on the 18th of May 2025.
आपको ऐसा लगता है कि एनसीसी ने आपको ये जो मौका दिया और ये करने के लिए, तो आपको प्राउड फीलिंग हो रहा है कि आप मेघालयन एंड एनसीसी गर्ल आप है बोल के बहुत खुशी हो रहा है यार आपको?
I'm so proud for the NCC. I'm so happy. I'm so grateful for the NCC who have given me this opportunity to experience this adventure. I'm not even just a cadet. Instead, I bring the glories not even just the Meghalaya. Instead, all over Northeast itself, because I've been also selected all over Northeast.
Okay.
So because in through the selection, we are all overtaken by the 17 lakhs of cadets all over India. And just 10 cadets are being selected, shortlisted. 5 girls and 5 boys. So, yeah.
So, how is the feeling now? Your daughter
I'm
is
feeling
climbing.
so happy. So happy because of her.
So proud of this.
Yes.
And you share your expression now.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I saw God be with your glory.
Your girl is blessing for your family.
So my blessed family.
Okay.
Thank you all, every one of us, and your present here.
Okay.
So I give thanks to every one of us, from my family, and my glory, my family also. Same to you also.
Okay.
Thank you.
NCC as an organization has always been focused in grooming the youth of of the country. So we take in lots of pains, and the the officers and staff of NCC will always try to check out, because when we go for training of the cadets, we check for the latent potential which is there in them. And then we select them based on various competitions. In the case of Cadet Rifinus, she had also undergone, a competition, a selection camp, in which she was selected for this Mount Everest expedition. After that, she went to Guwahati, where she was again reselected. And then there are many stages in which you have to climb many mountain peaks. And finally, she got a chance to climb the Mount Everest. It is a big moment for us, because a girl from a small place like Meghalaya will be able to submit, the highest peak in the world. So this speaks lots about her, her dedication, her willpower, and her determination that she will come back only after achieving the goal.
She's the first girl of NCC in Meghalaya.
No, we have with us GCI Dolin. She was the second one from Meghalaya to submit the Mount Everest peak, and Rifinus is the third woman from Meghalaya, in fact, and I think she's the youngest one who has submitted the peak from Meghalaya so far.
She's the youngest one.
Youngest from Meghalaya to submit the peak.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Aku
Long way.
My deputy will be the team leader. He has been selected, so probably Refinis can contribute us in this.
And commanding officer and to all the staff, PI, GCI and all the ANO for their support and love. Before going to Everest, they are the only one who give me the support and love. I'm so grateful to you all. Thank you so much, sir, ma'am. And through my journey, I will also share you a lot that I've been experienced that Everest is not an easy to climb. As you all know, it's the highest peak in the world, right? So there's a lot of challenge, difficult, and as I can say that different mountains have different challenge. So I found out that Mount Everest also have its own challenge, and there's some challenge that I also had in the dead zone. Dead zones is also called above the 8,000 and above, which there is also less of air. So we are using all the oxygen mask so that we can breathe. And I found it difficult, but in Campo I remember that I removed my mask when I start to breathe. It's very difficult, so I have to use a mask to breathe. So it gives more energy too. So a lot of challenges happened to me. Like it's also like before Everest, I've also climbed Mount Lopuche. It's in Nepal itself, and there I had some of the challenge on headache, which is also called an AMS symptoms. But through Lopuche Peak, that taught me a lot that I have to stay strong, never give up. I came this far through all the selection for almost 1 year, so I'll never give up. So I keep motivating myself. So by motivating myself, had made me like, you know.
एनसीसी सेक्टर। सो आप लोगों ने जो इन बच्चों को तैयार किया, ये काफ़ी गौरव की बात है। तो इस तरह की और क्या उम्मीदें हैं सर कि इस रीजन से और बच्चे इस तरह का अचीवमेंट और कर पाएंगे, क्या उम्मीद करते हैं सर आप?
The National Cadet Corps carries out training for the entire youth who are enrolled into NCC. So this event where Refinis Virgery has achieved a phenomenal success is because of the entire effort put in by her, determination and courage shown, as also the support provided by the NCC Directorate NER under the umbrage of the DG NCC. And it is a proud moment for all of us that Refinis Virgery has summited Mount Everest. We, as part of the NCC here, provide opportunity for the youth of the colleges who are enrolled in NCC for conducting various activities and participating in many activities as part of the adventures which are there. And this had started in the month of August, where we selected a group of 10 cadets from the entire Shillong group, who further went up to Northeastern Directorate and subsequently at DGNCC, out of which Refinis has made us proud by being the selected one and continue to show her determination and unwavering effort to achieve this stupendous success. So I wish and hope that we are able to give maximum opportunity to the youth of the country to bring up them as responsible citizens who can not only represent NCC but also be the backbone of the country in years to come.
Thank you, sir. Your name, please, sir.
I am Colonel Deepak Nambiar. I am the commanding officer of 61 Meghalaya Battalion, Shillong.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.